Hello, my name is Tracy Guest, and I'm a Color Street independent stylist, and today I'm going to show you how to put on a pedi set. This set is called Deep Ocean, and so you can just tear the package open. Here inside you'll find all the things you need to do this manicure. It's got an explanation here. It's got, okay, there's 3 layers of the strip. There's a base coat, a color coat, and a top coat. It shows you here how to put it on. Okay, so, alright, so I'm going to pull out all these things. Okay, alrighty. I'm going to take this off. Okay. Alright, put that in my trash pile over there. Okay, so I already prepped my toes, so I don't really need that. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is cut open the set here. So I'm going to do that. There is a notch where you can tear it, but it's up here. It's up here. And I don't want to tear it because then I'll tear the nail strip. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to cut it at this end instead. I'm going to pull these out. There are 16 strips, so you can get a good fit. Okay. There's, of course, 2 sets here. Ooh, look at that beautiful glitter. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I already know that I'm going to need this one and this one. And I'm going to need that one. And I'm going to need, okay, I can't remember now. I know it's not those 2. Okay, I think it's maybe that one, and it's one of those 2. Okay, all right, I'll just put those up there. Hold on, let me zoom out a little bit so you can see better. Okay, all right, so I'm going to take these ones that I'm not going to use, and I'm going to put them back in the package. As soon as you open the package and take the nail strips out, they start to dry. The nail strips are 95% dry, 100% nail polish. Alright, let me get my foot up here. Here we go. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to open this prep pad. Basically, this is just an alcohol wipe. And you're going to clean off your toes here, your toenails, of dirt and oils and such that might be on them. Okay. All right. And then you can start and do any order that you like. With the nail strips, you want to start at the pinky and work your way to the thumb, but you don't necessarily have to do that on this one, but I'm going to. Okay, so we're going to start with this one. So you're going to pull off the protective layer, just like you would on a nail strip, and then you're going to pull the silver tab off there, okay? And then, now, these are single-ended, so you just use that one end, and actually I'm going to just hold it. Okay, so, whoa, I almost fell over. Okay, so then you're going to put this on your nail strip. Oh, it's a little warm in here. Okay, and then you're going to press that down real good. Okay, make sure it's on there the best that you can, and then you just trim it off the end there. Okay, alright, now there's a little overage on this side, so I'm going to take my thumbnail and I'm going to trim that off, just like I would on my fingers. Okay, and there's the first one. Easy peasy, huh? Okay, now we're going to do the next one. Okay. Alright, I'm going to put it on there. Maybe it won't tear like the other one did. Okay. Alright, and then I'm going to put that as close to the cuticle as I can. Try not to get it on the cuticle. And then just trim that off like that. And press it down real good. And trim any excess on the sides. And there you go. Oh, let's get that little bit on the corner. Okay, like that. Okay. All right, next we're going to do this one, I think. This one? No, not that one. Okay. I put that one back into the package. Give me a second here. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm going to do this one instead. Okay. Alright. Anchor that one too. Okay. And then I'm going to put that on there. And I'm going to tear that off. Okay. Clean it up. Press it down real good. And there we go. Alright. We did that one. Next, we'll do this one. Okay. Here we go. Alright. Put that one on here. Tear that off there. And clean it up. Make sure it's pressed down real good. Okay, alright, last one. Now, this toe is kind of funky because it curves around like this. So I have to put it on weird. Alright, okay, here we go. Okay. Alright, so what I do is I line it up on this side where it's straight. And then I push it over like that. See how I have to do that? And then I'm going to have to clean that up. So, alright, so I'm going to get my cuticle pusher out here. Okay, and I'm going to push this down real good near the cuticle down here. And push it over here. And then tear that off there. Okay, I'm going to push it like this, here, real good, and then I'm going to trim it here, and then I'm going to trim it there, trim it there. It's kind of hard to get it straight, but there we go. Alright, okay, and that's how you put on a pedi set. Okay, I'm going to do my other foot, but I'm going to let you go, okay? And I hope this was helpful in showing you how to put on a pedi set. They're easy, just like you put on your nail strips. Alrighty, you take care, and I'll talk at you later. Bye.